So this is exactly how I was able to fix not being able to hear a stream on Discord mobile app. So firstly, I had to close my Discord mobile app, and instead I went to settings here on my mobile, as you can see. And then on settings here, we're just gonna scroll down and click on general and then click on storage right here. So now what we need to do is to just simply wait for this one right here to complete the process here. It basically now going to load all of the apps that you currently have on your phone. And then once it's done, we're going to search for a specific Discord app and we're going to be able to fix it in there. So now you can see I'm going to click on search applications here, and then I'm going to search for Discord and then click on Discord. Then we need to click on upload app, and once again in here click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, so we're just gonna wait for a little while for everything here to load. Then click on reinstall app. Then wait for this one to finish the reinstalling process. Once it's finished, go back and try once again, and this should now be able to fix it for you as well.